Hey, get it guys, Calvin from the Coaching Company New Zealand. There's a bit of a teaser video. Next to me I've got a 3UZ 5-speed engine on my stand. Airflow meter is attached. Alternator is attached. Down there's a battery. In there's a fuel pump. Okay. Here are the plugs that go to the ECU. Here's an earth wire plug, and it has been linked together, and there is an earth wire hanging out here like this, see? And I've just, it's just a bare wire. Here is a plug and play setup. Relays and an ECU. How fast before I can make that thing go? Right. Someone start their timer in just a moment. You good, right guys? Now I'm not going to edit this at all. So from this point we're not going to change it, we're going to take the ECU. I'm going to plug them in. Fun. This is a stock standard loom, so this has not been modified. Okay, we've got that plugged in. Take this, put that on there. Plug these two in. 1, 2, take this plug. This is for a manual 3UZ, okay, so it is a swap. We take this earth, right, there is an earth supplied in the wiring. You would normally take that earth and you would pop it in the back of this side and then run it over and crimp all these wires together. We take this wire, there's a plug for the pedal, plugging in this Hilux pedal. We're taking this wire, we're giving it main battery power, so battery power is in. Right there we need a fuel pump. Fuel pump is in. Ignition is on. We're starting it. I should have been going faster because I could have done it in under a minute. That's that simple when you got all the right stuff. Yeah, I was prepped. You had fuel system done. The main wiring to plug in the plug and play relay setup that I've made here took me about just over a minute. That's how they should be done. Keep it simple. I've got one for autos as well. So there's a little bit more with the auto. There's an extra plug. Now of course, the ECU has been reflashed. The immobilizer has been removed. And this one, all that transmission stuff has been removed. Yes, there's an OBD2 plug in the loom as well. No, there's no water temperature sensor because they don't have one. You need to put that in if you want to run one. The alternator is powered up and charging. You need to run an alternator wire between the alternator and the battery. They're normally short. They're normally about 300 mils long, and I put them right next to the ECU, which is on the left-hand front of the vehicle. There's no alternator light. There's no oil light because they're all multiplex from the ECU. So if you want to run them, you need to run extra wires in the loom. But to get it going quickly and simply, then that is the quickest, simplest way to do it. This is for a 5-speed LS430 or a Celsior. It doesn't cover the Crowns or the Aristos or any of those other cars that might have a 3UZ in it. It covers the LS430 and it covers the Celsior. Right, that's enough. Video's way too long now. Catch up.